This used to be an unfinished room in my basement, and I turned this into a Gothic Victorian workspace. Today, I'm finally showing you the finished office build. This space started out completely different. Green walls, plain trim, no characters, completely unfinished. I wanted something bold, so I went a full Gothic Victorian, but with a modern twist. Originally, I had picked a green and basic finishes. It just felt too flat, no depth, no personality. I just wanted something dramatic, moody, a space that felt creative, but still clean and modern. The style I went for was a Gothic Victorian with a modern twist. That means deep, moody colors, decorative trim and panel molding, bold wallpaper, warm wood accents, clean modern lighting, and tech. The first big transformation was adding architectural detail. I installed picture frame molding across the lower wall to create that Victorian panel look. It's a simple process. Lay it out, measure, cut, glue, nail, caulk. But the impact is huge. This is what gives the wall structure and depth instead of just being a flat, dry wall. Once the trim was up, you could already feel the character starting to come in. After the trim was installed, it was time to change the entire mood of the room. I went from a green to a midnight blue. I painted the walls trim the same color to give it that rich wrap look. Instead of the trim standing out white, everything blends together and feels bolder and more dramatic. The wallpaper, where it really leans into the Gothic Victorian style. The floral panel adds texture and history, but against the midnight blue, it still feels modern. I built out this lower cabinet wall with a solid wood top to warm everything up, then added vertical wood slats for texture, contrast, and sound. That's where the modern vibe really shows up. I still have a little bit more detailed work on the shelving Newland itself. It'll do for now, and in another video. I kept the ceiling dark and added recessed lighting to create that dramatic beam effect. Once the desk and lounge seating went in, it became exactly what I imagined. Part creative studio, part Victorian lounge. I know I need some artwork on these walls. Leave a comment below of what I should actually do. If you're thinking about going dark in a room, don't be afraid of it. Add texture, add wood, add detail. That's what makes it feel intentional instead of heavy. Remember to like and subscribe. Until our next build.